All right, you guys, this is gonna be a quick tip video. I just started doing this for all my screws. I think it's pretty cool and convenient, and you probably have these supplies at your own house. Let me get some fresh tape here. So I'm gonna turn this little bag into screw storage. So what I do is I run 4 different pieces. So the first one, I run along the bottom and I do a little bit of an overlap, maybe like 3/4 of an inch or so, kind of like that, if you can see. And then I fold those over there and there. And then I get another piece that just runs from edge to edge to keep those little tabs secured. So that's the first 2. And then I do the same thing up top. Takes just a couple minutes to do. And what this does is basically you're just turning these little Ziplocs into more of a permanent storage solution for your screws that are otherwise gonna rip through these bags. So now you have this bag reinforced. And what I do is I have all my like drywall screws and construction screws in there like that, and I can see what they are, and the bag's not going to fall apart, you know, in a few days. And then this just goes in my pack out just like that. So I hope you guys liked that video. I hope that helps. If you did, hit that thumbs up, subscribe. We'll see you on the next one.